This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Marla Harris. This is a great opportunity for someone. First, there is a 3,100 plus square foot home needing some TLC, and it would be a great home for someone. The main level open floor plan includes an open kitchen, dining room, living room area with a balcony off the dining room. The owner's suite is also on this level and includes its own private balcony. The lower level includes an additional full kitchen, dining room, and family room, which is all open. There are 2 more bedrooms, a second full bath, and a half bath also on this level. An unfinished workshop could be finished for another bedroom, and it is plumbed for another bathroom. The main driveway leads to the house, which sits at the back of a 15.415 acre parcel, private and secluded. Next, a second driveway, to the east of the main drive, leads to an 8.48 acre parcel that has been surveyed and divided into 8 separate lots with water and electric. Sell the lots, build houses, or tiny houses on the lots, or keep them all for yourself. So many choices and only minutes from Bloomington, Solsberry, and Bloomfield. Property sold as is. For more